Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to play bass. Bass guitar is one of my very favorite instruments because it is the least important, least impressive, and least cool looking, and I think that describes me as well. To play bass, you're going to want to keep three letters in mind. P-S-M. This stands for pause, sound, and music, and that's what playing bass is all about. Music, dude. You'll also want to eat a ton of worms. Worms float and wiggle through rivers and streams all the time. As a bass player, it's your job to eat them. It's also your job to avoid the hungry mouths of other larger fish. They won't think twice to take a bite out of your soft, scaly body. Please be aware that some worms are dangling on razor-sharp, barbed hooks. These worms should be avoided at all costs. A true bass aficionado like yourself needs to be able to spot the difference between a standard wiggly worm and one that has been maliciously embedded with a hook. If you bit down on one of these hooked worms, you will no longer be a bass player. You will be dinner for a very ugly man, and nobody wants that.